Good morning, children. In previous class, we have discussed fractions introduction. Today onwards, workbook we will start fractions 1. All of you open your workbook. The exercise 1. First question. The multiples of a number are obtained by. See, I will show you. Just wait. See, the multiples of a number are obtained by dash 1, 2, 3 and so on. So what you have to write? Multiplying by it by. So answer is what? Multiplying it by. Next, second one. The factors of 7 and 1 are. So we know that factors of 7 are 1 and itself. 1 is given. That's why itself means what? 7 only. So answer is what? A. Third one. The numbers that divide a given number exactly are called its dash. So answer is what? Factors. Okay, the numbers that divide a given number exactly are called its factors. Next. See, to check two fractions are equivalent, we dash them. So what we have to do that? We have to do cross multiply. Cross multiply. So answer is C. Which of the following is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 2? So observe here 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is exactly equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Next. So next I will explain this one. Wait. The cross product of 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Cross product is 2 into 5 and 3 into 4. So this is the cross product. Next, if the cross products are equal, if the cross products are equal, the given fractions are equivalent. The given fractions are equivalent. Next, eighth one. Fractions that denote the same part of the fractions that denote the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. Okay. Next, in cross multiplication we multiply the numerator. So ninth one is answer is numerator of fraction by denominator of the other. So these are 9. Next, 10th one. Are the fractions 3 by 4 and 9 by 8 are equivalent? 3 by 4 and 9 by 8. Children, just wait. See, tenth one, 3 by 4 and 9 by 8. So first of all, we have to find out cross product. Three into 8, 24. 4 into 9, 36. So 24 not equal to 36. So 3 by 4 not equal to 9 by 8. Both are not equivalent. Are not equivalent. So this is like this. First of all, we have to find out the cross product. 3 8s are 24, 4 9s are 36. So 24 is not equal to 36. So 3 by 4 not equal to 9 by 8. Both fractions are not equivalent. Okay. So both fractions are not equivalent. So this is the 10th one. Children, note down. Next, like this 11, 12. Also, we have to do same. Next, 11th one, 2 by 6. Then write any pair of equivalent fractions which will have 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. And 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So, what about the fractions? So, 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. Now observe 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So that's why fractions are 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. So 11th one solution is simple. Just you have to write the fractions 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. Next, 12th one. Are the fractions 5 by 15 and 2 by 6 are equivalent or not? So first cross product 5 into 6, 30, 15 into 2, 30. That's why 5 by 15 is equal to 2 by 6. Both fractions are equivalent. Both fractions are equivalent. So this is the 12th one solution. Note down, children. Next, 13th one. A 9 by 13 and 36 by 52. Same cross product 9 into 52, 13 into 36. 9 into 52, 468. This is 13 to 36 also 468. So that's why 9 by 13 is equal to 36 by 52. Both fractions are equivalent. Okay. So like this. BCD we can do it in 13th one. Next, 14th one. 3 by 5 and 9 by 13. So find out the cross product. 3 into 13, 39, 5 into 9, 45, 39 not equal to 45. That's why 3 by 5 is not equal to 9 by 13. So both fractions are not equivalent. Okay. So in this BCD also, B also you can do like this. I hope it's very clear. Next to 15th one. Four by 7 and 28 by 49. So cross multiplying same. Cross multiplying, we get 4 into 49, 7 into 28. So 4 into 196. This is also 196. So 4 by 7 is equal to 28 by 49. So both fractions are equivalent. Okay. So this is the 15th one. A, B, C, D are there. I did A. Remaining B, C, D you can do practice. Okay. If space is there you can write. Otherwise no need. But you should practice. Next. 16th one. Thirteen by 25, 65 by 150. So cross multiplication, 13 into 150. 1950. 25 into 65. 25 5 is 125, 12, 25 6 is 150, 150, 162. So 1625. So both are not equal. 1950 is not equal to 1625. That's why 13 by 25 not equal to 65 by 150. So both fractions are not equivalent. So this is the 16th one solution. Note down, children. Next to 17th one. See, fraction of distance run by Rishi 21 by 40. So first fraction is what? 21 by 40. Fraction of the distance run by Kushal 18 by 30. 30. So cross multiplication we get 21 into 30, 40 into 18. 630, 720. That's why 21 by 40 not equal to 18 by D. Both fractions are not equivalent. That's why they did not run equal distance. Therefore, both did not run equal distance. So this is 17th one solution. Children note down. Next read 18th one question. Eighteenth one, fraction of the painting done by Raghu 18 by 30. So 18 by 30 part he have done. Fraction of the painting done by Raju. First one is Raghu, second one is Raju. So this is 15 by 25. Okay children. Next observe this one. Cross product 18 into 25, 30 into 15. So 25 8s are 200, 20, 25 1s are 25, 25, 20, 45. Okay. So 450, 15 0 0, 15 3s are. Therefore, 18 by 30 is equal to 15 by 25. Both fractions are equivalent. That's why both painted equal parts. Both painted equal parts. Children note down. This is 18th one. Next to 19th one. Nineteenth one, fraction of the day Lalita spent playing tennis 2 by 26. In a day, 2 by 26 fraction of the day she spends with tennis. Like this, she spends playing with chess 1 by 13. Now, both are equal or not? Once you check, by cross multiplying we get 2 into 13, 26, 26 into 1, 26. That's why 2 by 26 is equal to 1 by 13. Both fractions are equivalent. So, therefore, Lalita spent the same amount of time for both the games. So this is 19th A solution. Next B, you can do it. B, do homework. Next Children, this is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Today's homework. Workbook. Okay. Exercise 1 to 19 problems. All these problems you have to write. First you have to observe the PDF file and see the PDF file and note down all these 19 sums in your workbook. Next the same problems you have to do practice in your homework book. I hope it's very clear. Next tomorrow I will continue remaining sums. Thank you.